Kidan sau po tili kilong yeng ki bade kinong trei hakitat kam paper ka sarkar jala kilami non thai memolong ong mutirong ba ka jala konrat ke sangma ha bakran bat kilap thai khobor ha ka janmit sitarik noi weng arajar arwoi ulo ong ba ka sarkar jala halo ka jing a jing manjur ka high level committee kan pentre kam ye ki pali ne ki benta bon weng pen kriya ki breu na ka te ka jaka da ka ba ka do ba ka jing pen kriya kam dei da ka bale donbor ulo ong ba ka jing thmuhi ka long ban pen kriya ki kat kum ki kandon la ki dei ki batre bat ka sarkar jala ne ki basa bi ain ru.
We have already clearly made the whole aspect clear to the people that there are phases to this entire process. An entire process will be done in a phase-wise manner. And the first phase will be, as I said, the land ownership, and that has been done now. Second phase will be the shifting of the municipal office. Third phase will be shifting of the government employees, whether municipal or others, completely into the designated locations, and these are very good locations that they've been given. So that will be the third phase, and then finally we will go into the phase where we will find an amicable manner in which we will be able to ask the others or relocate the other people. But that is a process, as I said, we will see and move as it goes along, but the government, based on the decision of the high-powered committee, has decided to move in this manner. I'm not being able to give you the thing right now, but the process has started. As I said last time also to you, that 40 families had already shifted who were working at the departments. The process of the others also moving will start very soon. See, everything has to be moved in a legal manner. There's nobody can go above the law. Of course, they are giving emotionally they are charged and they're giving statements. We're ready to talk to them. We're ready to discuss with them, and find an amicable way in which we can resolve this issue. We're very clear, as I said, that we need to find a solution to this. It's been pending too long, and it is for the first time in the history of the state that any government has taken a very strong step and a concrete step towards resolving a very long pending issue. So not easy, but we are committed to this, and we will carry everybody along. We will talk to the people. These might be some individuals who have mentioned this, but if you look at the overall community and the people living there, all are not thinking the same line. So we will, as I said, that's why I mentioned again and again that we will resolve this in a in a phase-wise manner, taking one section at a time, and that is a way to resolve such complicated problems.